Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix video recording not working issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and here click on this power icon. Now here click on this restart icon and then again click on restart to restart your mobile, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on camera. Now in camera, click on force stop and then click on OK to force stop the camera app. And after doing this, scroll down and click on storage. Now here clear the cache memory and app data of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, click on clear data and then click on delete to confirm. Now after doing this, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating the mobile software, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.